Now in this video I'm going to show you how I built this laundry for less than $1,500. You're going to learn a lot of new things like how I've made this wooden bench top out of 2 wood panels for $128. Then I'll be sharing some of my mistakes and learns I had along the way, and at the end I'll make a list of all the items that I've used so you can see the cost for yourself. Now bear in mind that I'm not a cabinet maker, I actually work for a bank and I had 0 to none woodworking skill. I built a barn door recently and that gave me a little bit of confidence, but prior to this project I didn't even own any woodworking tools myself. So I believe that anyone watching this video who's keen to give it a go and fail and learn along the way is able to accomplish that. And I'm really keen to show it to you guys. Let's get into it. Ah, what a mess. Gotcha. I was born like that. Sorry, mean joke. Let's get going. Now the first challenge of today is to complete the wooden bench top. I'm going to use these $54 wood panels and I'm going to join them together to create one long bench top. So these are the 2 boards joined together now. I just had a curveball thrown at me. This here is clearly 62 and this side 61. I spent hours on this bloody table and now I'm just going to cut a hole, so I really hope I'm going to cut this hole right. I've never done this, you know. So wish me luck. Ah, nervous. Dun, dun, dun. Perfect. Whew. Bench top is done. Now moving over to the bottom cabinets, and I'll be using these standard 1.8 meters times 600 melamine panels. I think there was $43 or something at the hardware store. Should be fairly easy, like building blocks, this type thing. Let's keep going. is my first ever draw I did in my life. Ooh, done. Bottom cabinets all completed. Now I can get into tiling. Pretty good. I think it's ready. I'm so nervous every time I do something for the first time. Damn it!
Wow.
Let's figure something out. I've cut these tiles. I should have not cut down here. I need to cut another one. Oh. So phase 2. Cool. So tiling is done. Next step is the cabinet, which goes above the tiles. I've already cut the pieces. I just have to screw them together. But first, that's enough. Let's get going. Now these LEDs didn't turn out the way I wanted them because you can see them. So I found a solution. I'm just going to attach another layer of timber. I hope you guys found this video inspiring and helpful. If you did, give it a like. Consider subscribing. I'm actually standing in the garage right now. I'm actually turning this garage into a tiny house. I'm going to add a lounge, a bedroom, a bathroom, and the council has approved the plans. So there's lots more building videos to come. In the next video, I'm actually going to reveal the truth about why I decided to buy versus rent. And I'll bring in some of my professional expertise as a banker, and I'm going to talk about why renting keeps you poor.